Okay, I'm doing my pedigree on the family tree of SpongeBob SquarePants. So we're going to meet the family. Here is the pedigree with pictures of all the members. So if you watch the show, you can tell who I'm talking about. So we see the two grandparents had SpongeBob's dad, Harold, and then SpongeBob's mom was married in. And then also SpongeBob's grandparents had another son, Sherm, who had Stanley SquarePants, which is SpongeBob's cousin. And we're not given any information on the mother of that. So we're just going to kind of assume some things when we're determining the modes of inheritance. So the methods of inheritance are X-linked dominant, X-linked recessive, autosomal dominant, autosomal recessive, and Y-linked. And we're going to determine which method of inheritance is consistent with the trait of being square in the SpongeBob family. So for X-linked dominant, we can see that if you have the trait of being square, you should have a dominant allele. Well, that would not make sense in this case because Sherm is square and needs a dominant allele, but he gets his X from his mom, who is round, not square. So that one's not possible. X-linked recessive would be consistent with the trait of being square in this family. And now Y-linked, you can see that this would not be consistent with being square because SpongeBob's father is circular and his dad is dominant for the Y-linked trait, and therefore he would need to be square for this to be consistent. Autosomal dominant, you see that it works almost till the very end, but we see that SpongeBob needs to be, or SpongeBob's square, so he would need a dominant allele, but that's not possible because both of his parents are recessive circular shaped, so that one would not work. And now autosomal recessive, we can see also is consistent with the trait of being square in this pedigree. And here are my sources. Thank you.